So over here you can see that I have a table right here, and if I want to resize out the table, then all I need to do is stretch it out right here. If I want to change around the size of the columns, I can just go around and click and drag this around. And over here you can see that we can go around and change around the table size as well. And just like this, you can pull this out right here to make some space over here on the top as well. Then let me just go around, keep it as it is right here. So you can also link it out with other shapes right here, and you can see that as I pull this up, another table actually pops up. But let me just go around and then simply click this and delete out the entire table right here and delete the connector as well. So once this is done, if you want to go around and add in, let's say, a row or a column, you can select a particular cell right here, and you can go around over here onto the table option, and here you can see that you can go around and add in, let's say, a row on the top right here. You can go around a row at the bottom as well, and you can see that you also have option to delete out a particular selected row. You can go around over here and select it, and you can go around onto the table, and you can insert out column to the right and insert out column to the left as well. You can also go around and then delete out, let's say for example, the column from over here. So this is how you can go around and then add and delete table rows and columns inside of diagrams.net table. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.